Bhushan Gagrani is monitoring the situation personally from the disaster control room because there are areas that have been very badly affected. People are facing massive inconvenience and CCTV images are being tracked. So this is the visual on your screen. We are told that this is the disaster control room where emergency personnel officers along with the emergency control room are stationed at various locations in Mumbai, keeping an eye on all developments. Senior officers, the commissioners and other systems of the corporation are active at various locations. This also appears to be in many ways a statement coming in from the corporation and from the disaster control room to say that they are attempting to constantly be in touch. They are trying to ascertain the situation, specifically what's happening with areas like we see on the screen. Vidya, I bring you in here. So Mumbai Civic Body Commissioner Bhushan Gagrani monitoring the situation, the statement to project in many ways that they are on the job. But the fact is, as much as there is a disaster control room, what is happening on the ground will show if people have had some relief.
Pooja, in fact, one of the glaring situations that people have been really pointing out is whether there was a real forecast about this heavy rain. Remember, in certain areas in Mumbai, there's been rain of above 300 mm in just a couple of hours. That's certainly a huge amount of rain that has, fallen across the city in some areas. And that's actually the reason why the city is so inundated, especially in pockets like the Kurla area, where I'm standing right now. There was heavy rainfall that happened, and which is the reason why the railway tracks got inundated. Where I'm standing right now, I was given to understand that there were about 1.5 or 2 feet of water inside the shops, and in spite of that, now the water has certainly receded. But the question was whether this forecast was given to the administration and was it well prepared. That is something that a lot of people are saying that that did not really happen. There were various forecasts that had been given by the meteorological department saying that there would be a yellow alert by around 1 in the afternoon today. But before that, last night, whether there was a forecast of that sort, that's really not something that is being confirmed by anyone. In fact, most people are saying that there was no alert that the meteorological department had given about heavy rain in those few hours that the city had seen. Certainly, the meteorological department has now said that by around 1 in the afternoon, there will be heavy rainfall in the city. That's the reason why the city chief is monitoring the situation, because around 2 is a high tide of about 4.2 meters. And remember, that's the entire combination that really gets the city down, whether it is high tide as well as the heavy rainfall that really buckles down the entire city when it comes to monsoon season.
Thank you, Vidya. Keep tracking all the latest on that. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done right away. But think of the person on the ground who does not have the advantage to simply sit at home, needs to go out and has to wade through this knee-deep, in some places neck-deep water. And perhaps that is what the question that Mumbai will have to ask. Till when can they continue with the situation?